Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. Today we'll learn, in simple words, how a large language model is trained from a blank slate to a reasoning model. Stage 1 is the blank slate. The model has a brain-like structure, but no knowledge. If you ask, what is an LLM, it gives random output. Stage 2 is pre-training. The model reads a huge library and learns to predict the next word. It becomes good at completing text, but not yet at conversation. Stage 3 is instruction fine-tuning. The model is shown many question and answer pairs, so it learns to respond helpfully. Stage 4 is preference fine-tuning, also called reinforcement learning from human feedback. The model gives two answers, and a human chooses the better one. This teaches the model to be polite, clear, and helpful. Stage 5 is reasoning fine-tuning. The model is trained on tasks with correct logical answers, so it learns to think step by step before answering. To summarize, an LLM begins as a blank slate, then learns language from huge text, learns to follow instructions, gets polished by human preferences, and finally becomes a reasoning specialist.